Infrared inspections often require hours spent diagnosing issues and generating reports in offices, costing organizations millions of dollars in lost time and productivity that could be spent in the field. ICI has revolutionized asset reliability with ConnectIR, a mobile application that streamlines thermal analysis and sharing capabilities of infrared media in the field, reducing time spent on report generation and in-office analysis. Easily transfer media from ICI's PivotIR and TCam devices to a mobile phone over a Wi-Fi connection. Immediately, users are able to view thermal images and videos within the ConnectIR platform and assess potential issues in the field with a suite of tools for processing media and performing thermal analysis. Generate high-quality PDFs on the spot and share them using the built-in email capabilities of the mobile device to send reports to the correct personnel in order to streamline the maintenance process and get assets back up and running quickly and efficiently. ConnectIR is available in multiple languages. Simply update the settings to use it in your preferred language. Download ConnectIR today and upgrade asset reliability and maintenance efficiency. Available on the App Store.